Hey, what's up guys? It's Rachel. Welcome to this video. Have you guys recently during this quarantine wanted to do like a photo shoot or post something on Instagram, but you couldn't really do it because you might not have recent pictures, or you just feel like dressing up and taking pictures of yourself? And if you're home alone, or you are home and don't want to bother your family, then you're like, oh, now I can't take pictures. Well, this video is going to be showing you how successful or unsuccessful you could be at doing a photo shoot alone. Is it hard? Is it easy? I have come up with some ways that have helped me a little bit while we've been on quarantine, so let's get to it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Rachel. You guys should definitely subscribe, only if you want to. It's okay if you don't, I understand. I make college/lifestyle videos, so subscribe. The first thing that we need to do is do makeup. So I just did a light look so far, and I need to do my eyes and whatever. So let's do that. We're just going to go in with the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. I'm gonna take burnt orange and put that all over my lid. I took burnt orange, put it all over my lid, and then I took the shade Sienna and then put that on the outer corner of my lid. And then I'm gonna take Rustic and put that on the outer corner, but just dab it on the outer corner. Don't blend it all the way into the crease, just like blend it a little bit. And then I'm taking Fairy and Glistening, and I'm combining them and putting them on my inner corner of my eye, and then blending that into my inner lid. And yes, I used my finger. Do you have a problem with that? So that's it for the eyes. And then I'm just gonna curl my lashes, put mascara on. I'm just gonna do the rest of my makeup, and I will see you guys later to choose an outfit. We are done with our makeup. I just need to put my Fenty Beauty on. Hold on. The next thing I would do is hair, but sadly I don't have any of my hairstyling products. So I don't have my crimper or my straightener to curl my hair because that's old school. I also don't have all my jewelry, so I just have this necklace that I've been wearing for my friend Brittany. So this is the hair that I will be dealing with. So now to pick out an outfit, I just got this really cute dress that I got from Princess Polly. So let me put this on and we'll try taking some pictures with this fit first. Okay, let's go. Okay. So this is the fit, and let's go take this picture. Let's figure out a place in my house to take it. Let's go. So I'm at this part of my house that has like the best lighting right now. So let's try taking it over here with this plan. It might be a little cool. I'm gonna use my phone and use self-timer, baby. So for the first outfit, I got some pictures, and then I also took a video of me posing. So what I've been finding recently is that taking a video of yourself posing, though it's awkward, you sometimes get the best pictures when you're doing this alone. So I took this video of me posing, and I just need to go through it and see what screenshots I can take from it. But I also did take pictures, so I have a couple. I did a couple of the self-timer bursts, so hopefully one of these look good. We'll see. So I'm gonna go check out one of these and then edit them, and I'll show you guys how it came out. So now I need to change into my next outfit, and it's actually getting kind of dark. Still light out, so that's good. It's only 4 o'clock, I think. Yeah, 4:30, so we're fine. I also want to show you guys some pictures that I took that are already on my Instagram. If you guys want to check it out, my Instagram is linked down below. This is the process that I did to take pictures of my self-care thumbnail / Instagram post. So I'm gonna insert that right now. I wanna let you know And also part of this video is where I take pictures in a mirror. This has been a huge trend that has been going around for Instagram / Pinterest or TikTok. I don't know, I'm not on TikTok. So a lot of people have been taking their mirrors outside and taking pictures of themselves. So this is my attempt at it. These are the pictures.
Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go.
But I do want to retake these pictures again, just not now because I don't have a better mirror. Those are at school. Just stay tuned for those, and if you want to see them, go check me out on Instagram. So now, move on to the next outfit. Okay, so this is the next outfit. I've got these pants from Princess Polly, and if you guys have seen them before, if you have them also in this blue shade, but I wanted yellow pants for some reason, and I saw them on Princess Polly and I had to get them. So I got them, and then this top is, I think it's from Forever 21, and I've had it for a really, really long time. It's really good quality. So this is my next outfit. So let's go and take pictures. Okay, we're gonna go to the same place with the better lighting. Let me try out these pictures and let's just see how things go. I think self-timer worked the best for the last time, so I'm gonna try that again. And when you do self-timer on your iPhone, it does a burst of 10. Let's try this and I'll let you know how. Taking pictures on my actual camera too for this, so I'm gonna go and put these on my phone and then edit them. And it looks like it's gonna rain because the lighting got super bad that the quality on my phone was like worse. So I'm gonna edit the ones on my phone and on my camera, and we'll see where things go. And if the lighting just gets worse and worse throughout the day, then I'm just gonna film the rest tomorrow. See you guys in a bit. Okay, I definitely got 6 good pictures from this, so I just edited them on Visco, and yeah. Okay, the next outfit, I'll show you guys the next outfit. So I'm just wearing a Brandy Melville shirt that says New York on it, and some sweatpants I got from my friend's high school when she did track. And then I'm gonna put my hair up in a bun and let's do this thing. I just did a low bun over here. So this is definitely a more at-home type of photo shoot. I've been looking up at-home photo shoots on Pinterest for some inspiration, and I saw a lot in the kitchen, so we're gonna do that. Let's do it. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm gonna take a mug and just pose in front of the camera like this. And then I'm gonna take a picture on this counter, but give me a second, I have to charge my battery. So it's getting dark out. It doesn't look like that, but like, trust me, the lighting is so bad, especially in my kitchen. So I'm gonna continue this tomorrow, and I hope you guys like this video so far. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day and I'm wearing everything I wore in the last clip. Did my hair, but we are gonna go and shoot. So the next shot I'm feeling is this shot like this. Cool. I'm gonna make matcha, and do you like the setup? I'm gonna make matcha and prep for this shot. Okay, 10 seconds starts now.
Down, yeah.
So I'm gonna use my camera, I'll be right back. Okay, that was a process, but my arms are gonna be sore tomorrow because the amount of times I went up and down this counter was insane, and I'm short. But I think I got the pictures.
Down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why?
This next photo will be in this bed. Okay, let's shoot this last couple of photos. Okay, so I'm prepping for this photo, and I'm just wearing shorts with this button-up shirt, and I tied it, and I'm wearing a bralette underneath. I'm not gonna do it on my phone. I think the quality of the picture would be better because the lighting is a little weird in here, so I'm gonna do the pictures on my camera, and I'll show you guys the results. Okay, I'll see you.
Yeah. No friends of mine, no friends of mine.
I ended up just buttoning the t-shirt but they turned out really good. And I think these are all the pictures that I'm gonna take for this video, and I might do a part 2 because I have a lot of other picture ideas that I want to do, and I will film them. I hope I can do a part 2. If you guys really like this, I'll do a part 2, but that part 2 will change the game. Like, there's a lot of other things that I will be adding to these at-home photo shoots. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun filming it and taking these pictures, and I learned a lot about photography. I used to take a lot of self-timer pictures on my phone when I was younger, and it just brought me back, but I definitely am doing a lot better than I was when I was like 10. And these are definitely more artsy, classy pictures and are more Pinterest vibe. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I had so much fun. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the pictures. If you do, check them out on Instagram. Follow me at Rachel X Reyes on all social medias. If you like this video, please subscribe if you want to, and only if you want to. I get it if you don't, but definitely subscribe, like it, and when you subscribe, hit that bell button down below for post notifications for whenever I post. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
We gotta carry on. Don't let this be our final song.